A lot of times when I teach students, I think one of the big things that happens is they come into a classroom that's art related, and they're very intimidated that this is a skill that's just beyond, or they're maybe dissatisfied that, I really want more, and there's a very basic program going on. And so what I really like about the program that we have here is that we focus a lot on very teachable, sustainable art methods, and slowly build up those building blocks so that you're able to kind of create much more complex combinations of those basic skill sets. And then as you kind of gain confidence in your ability to do something like drawing is a very teachable skill. Then you start to begin to see that you can do so many things with it, and you can apply it to many other media. Photography is great in terms of learning composition. Then you start to see how that plays out three-dimensionally in sculpture. So I love that you can build off this sort of very small skill set and realize that it can expand and that it can be catered to every individual depending on their skill level and their interest level as well.